Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This episode is going to be a little different than the normal. I was recently contacted by Skylar Ostler, which is better known as the Cosplay Apprentice here on YouTube, and he asked if I would test out a product he is selling on Amazon. It is called FOMO. I see your logo there. Well played, Skylar. Well played. It is very similar to TNT Cosplay C4. Basically, these are moldable clay-like substances that when dry turn into EVA. You can sand them, you can carve them, you can cut them, you can glue them, all that stuff. He wanted me to test it out, give my honest opinion. This is not a sponsored video. This is not me getting paid to give you an opinion. I'm simply going to show you my application of what you can use this type of stuff for. It's not a comparison, it's just a build. We are going to attempt to make a monster. I've been getting a lot of requests for Venom, Carnage, that type. I don't know that I could do those justice, but I will do something similar to that. So if you're interested in making something like that, use these techniques to make your own monster face. Let's get to building. finished. Here is the end result. Overall, extremely pleased with the way it turned out. It was fairly simple to use. The foam part of it took me literally less than an hour. Now, given I am using pre-existing structure, but that's one application you can use it for, to kind of build off of something that already exists. It took me less than an hour to sculpt it, then another hour or so to paint, and then maybe 30 minutes to put the lenses and straps on. So total, I'm in at maybe 2.5 hours, which that's not bad. There are definitely some pros and cons to the material. There are some limitations, but I will say this: it didn't shrink as much as TNT Cosplays. It is a little bit more flexible than TNT Cosplays. I didn't thoroughly test either of them, but I think the results pretty much speak for themselves, and I know, Skylar, you're probably going to get some more of my money. If you would like to purchase some of this stuff from Skylar, just go on to Amazon and search FOMO, or you can click my affiliates link down in the description and send me a couple of bucks as you buy it. But maybe you'll try and make something like this yourselves and impress your friends or scare them with your monster building abilities, so much so that they run in terror. Maybe you'll get some,
yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them, much props. All right.